Yo, what is good, YouTube, and welcome back to another video, man. I know it's been a very long time since you guys seen me and what I've been doing with the car and stuff. But today's video, I'm basically going to be explaining everything on what's been going on. And yeah, man, yo, shout out to everybody who's came along board since I've been gone, man. Shout out to every single one of you, even all the original people who've been here since day one, man. I really appreciate you guys, man. You guys are awesome. You have no idea. Letting this channel grow little by little, and honestly, I'll be happy with that. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's start today's video. So what's good, everybody? So I ended up getting to the location where I wanted to shoot. Pretty much I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of what's been going on. I've been wanting to focus more on myself a little bit more. Not prioritize the car as much, make improvements in my life to where they're needed. You know what I mean? That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop making videos on the car or whatever. No, I'm building that car. It's my hobby. I love that. But there were other areas in my life where I just needed to upgrade. You know what I mean? I think we all could relate to that, where we just feel like we're dumping a lot of money into a hobby, and don't get me wrong, it's a good thing, but there's always other things that need more attention. You know what I mean? So pretty much that's just where I was going with it. But you guys know me, man. I never fail to make sure a good thing comes out of a situation. And this might feel like a little gloomy video, but it's really not supposed to. It just turned out to be the day. But so another reason as to why I stopped making videos and dumping money into the car and stuff was because your boy needed an upgrade. So you guys know I had a 97 coupe. I still have it, actually. It's at my house just chilling. But I chose to jump out of that and jump into something that I feel like I deserve. You know what I mean? Something fun and overall something that I liked. So, and it brings more content to the channel, so I hope you guys like it too. But in front of me, I'm looking at my new daily 13 Honda Civic SI, as you guys know, man. I wanted it in this specific color just because majority of my cars have always been green. So I was like, yeah, it's time for a change. But this is it right here. This is what I dipped my money into. Car is clean. There goes the tripod. So I know this is exactly what you guys have been wanting to see too. The reason why I chose the SI was because I wanted a fun daily, good on gas, and I didn't really want anything boring, something that I could fall asleep behind. So I was like, why not get one of my dream garage cars and buy it now. I plan on doing a few things to the car. I feel like it's perfect as it sits, but that's gonna be for another video. I just want to let you guys know that this is one of the reasons that I'm gonna be putting more content other than just the Accord. No, that does not mean I'm gonna be neglecting it. I just feel like the channel needs more, and I don't want to be stuck shooting videos on the side of my house. So I just thought I'd bring you guys something that I could bring the car meets, highway runs, whatever, ride-alongs, vlogs, whatever. Like, I could do it with this car. So thank you guys so much, man. You guys don't understand how much I appreciate every single one of you just for believing in your boy and subscribing and, you know, giving me great feedback on the videos, man. Like, honestly, I couldn't do it without you guys, you know? So thank you so much for sticking around, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you guys think of the new daily.